Task 26 is to teach kids the name, naam,
I, J, K, L,
and sound, आवाज.
I, J, K, L,
Of these letters. See, this is big I, bada.
I,
See, this is small I, chota.
I,
Now you make insult. Make big I, bada.
I,
Now you make small I, chota.
I.
Very good.
What sound does letter I make?
आवाज.
I, 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 insect. हम हर अक्षर की आवाज़ क्यों सीख रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब हम इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं या बोलते हैं, हम सब अक्षरों की आवाज़ जोड़कर शब्द पढ़ते हैं। बच्चों को हर अक्षर का नाम और हर अक्षर की आवाज़ सिखाना है।
See, this is big J, bada.
J,
See, this is small j, chota.
J,
Now you make insult. Make big J, bada.
J,
Now you make small j, chota.
J.
Very good.
What sound does J make?
आवाज.
J, 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 jar. J, J, jar.
See, this is big K, bada.
K,
See, this is small k, chota.
K,
Now you make insult. Make big K, bada.
K,
Now you make small k, chota.
K.
Very good.
What sound does K make?
आवाज.
K, 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 kite. K, K, kite.
See, this is big L, bada.
L,
See, this is small l, chota.
L,
Now you make insult. Make big L, bada.
L.
Now you make small l, chota.
L.
Very good.
What sound does L make?
आवाज.
L, 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 lemon. L, L, lemon.
Please try and show the objects we are showing to kids while learning letters. You can show them the objects at the marketplace as well. If it is not possible to show, then please show our videos.
Now, let's play a game with kids. Write the letters on any 8 corners of the room. You can also write on paper and stick it or hang it. Let children dance. When you call out the letter, kids have to go to that letter and stand. Let's play.
Big I. Small K. Big J. Small L.
Kids may take time to learn letters. Please take your time. Please teach one letter every 2 to 3 days. At first, kids will write a little with salt. That's okay. Teach them to write slowly, at their pace. Please listen carefully. Please do not put pressure on your kids to learn. Please give them lots of love and encouragement and let them enjoy learning at their own pace. Thank you.